Drink this every morning and watch what's happened to your skin, your digestion, and your belly fat. This simple juice made from carrot, turmeric, ginger, lemon, apple, and orange is very powerful. And today I will show you guys exactly how I made it. So you have to stay tuned and we start it together. But before starting the video, if you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time across in this channel, please can you do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Let's start the video, guys. So now, if you are looking for a natural way to boost your immune system, clean your skin, reduce beauty, and feel healthy from inside to outside, this drink, you have to wait for it. Let's start with the ingredients and why each ingredient is very important. Now, okay, what I'm just putting inside is turmeric, fresh turmeric. You can add fresh turmeric or you can add powder one if you have the powder one. And I have my carrot also, and this is ginger that I'm going to add inside, and that is my orange. You know, as usual, I'm adding one orange, and also I'm going to add my green apple as usual. And also it's not going to end there because we have 2 lemon also inside, which one I'm going to lamb. I'm going to use that one also to add it inside. And also I have my mandolin. So please stay tuned so that we just go ahead and start to cut the ingredients. While I'm cutting it, we can talk about the benefit of some of the ingredients. Okay, so now what I'm going to start to talk about, let's start. So my people, now let's talk about the vitamins that carrot having. Carrot is having vitamin A, and vitamin A is for glowing skin. Carrot is having vitamin C inside, and that vitamin C is for immune system. And it's also having beta carotene, which is for eyes healthing. Okay, and also carrot is having potassium, and that one also is for energy. It's adding more energy to you. If you are drinking it, you know, you will get up, or in the daytime even, or in the morning, you will wake up with energy. So now you guys can see that that is my pineapple that I boiled. My pineapple peel yesterday. We eat pineapple, so I boil it with my cloves. So this thing, I can boil it this way and start to be drinking it. That's why I told me and my house, every scratch is healthy. Every scratch is something for me to drink or to eat, because all this thing is having benefit. So I don't throw things like that away. So what I do, I boil it with cloves. That water I'm going to use to boil this thing. So let's continue checking, guys. Now I'm peeling my orange. Why I'm peeling it? Because I'm already started with the carrot. So let's continue with the carrot benefit. So carrot also, the benefit of carrot is also brightening skin, you know, supporting liver detox. Carrot is very powerful, and also is boosting metabolism. It's helping with digestion, which we all want, because if your digestive system is, you are eating, the more you are eating, your digestive is that, if your stomach, you know, is working, you are bringing it out again. It's very good, because it's not saying, we have some people like sometimes maybe for going inside the big place, you know, that place is difficult for them. So for drinking this thing, it will help you to be digesting your food, digesting everything, for you to find it more easier while you are using inside, you are using the big side. So now my mandolin, that one, I'm just using my hand to remove it. I'm showing it to you guys. You can use your hand this way. When you see me peeling it, maybe someone can think that is something. No, it's not a new thing. You can just use your hand like this way and remove it and put inside your blender and blend it. That's all. Or you can use the knife and peel it. It's all the same. Okay, so I'm just making this method also. The orange, I use the knife to peel it, and the mandolin, I use my hand to peel it. So which one that you think that is easier for you, just use that one and do it. So now after that, I will continue with my carrot and my turmeric, fresh turmeric or turmeric powder, whichever that you get, is very powerful because it's having anti-inflammatory compounds and also vitamin C, iron, and magnesium. It's also having a benefit which is reducing inflammation. It helps reduce belly fat. It cleans the liver and supports immune function. So fresh turmeric is very, very powerful. So now guys, after I cut all my things, I remove my pineapple peel from the water and just leave the down part. You know, those one I'm going to add inside, because yesterday when I was boiling it, I added clove and ginger inside. So those one I'm going to boil with the water again. So now after that, I added ginger inside. Ginger also is having antioxidant and also vitamin B6 it's having, and having magnesium and zinc. So ginger is very good. It also helps with digestion and reducing bloating and natural fat burner. Okay, it's burning your belly fat. It will burn it, like, you know, it will burn it very quick while you are adding ginger into your routine for your belly fat drinks or whatever that you are doing. Ginger is very good. It's also stimulating immunity. So I don't joke with ginger. I don't joke with it. I always use ginger and cloves. Those ingredients that I'm going to say, I use it most in my house because, you know, it's very powerful. And also after that, also what I added my orange. Now I'm cutting my apple. So but before that, let us see the orange. Orange also is having high vitamin, which is vitamin C and fiber and fluid. It's also doing what? Boosting immunity and helping to glow your skin. It's adding natural sweetness into your skin and supporting detoxification for your body. So orange is very, very good. So now I'm cutting my apple, green apple. So green apple also is very, very powerful because green apple is also contain vitamin A and C and antioxidant. Green apple, while you are eating, you are drinking green apple, it will keep you full. It will keep your stomach, you know, your stomach get full. It will regulate the digestion also. It help the blood sugar, you know, balance to. It will help your blood sugar to balance. It's adding freshness, sweet taste to your system. So green apple is very good. And that is our last by the main of the ingredients. That is why my lamb. So guys, now you can use lamb. You can see the inside is still even green, but still, because it's keep long, you can see that it's like the is trying to get white out of the green lamb, but still it's lamb. When you check the inside, you can even see the inside. So I use 2 lamb. I cut my 2 lamb inside. You can use lamb or you can use lemon, but before using the lemon, if you know that your lemon, you are going to use lemon, maybe if you want, you can peel it. If you know that it's not organic one, peel it before using. So for straining it, so after finish everything, I blend it and I strain it. So for straining it, you can get for something that with small tiny hole, or you can use strainer to strain it. But for me, I love to make it this way because I don't know, it can happen that my daughter also can say she want to drink it. So why she says she want to drink it, who am I to say no to don't drink healthy things? So I can give her small or dilute it with water again. This one I can dilute it again with water and give to her because it's a little bit strong for her. It's very strong for her to drink it, so I can dilute it. So I always want it to be very smooth drink, not with having some things. You can see how the face is looking. So now let's continue to check and see lamb inside. Putting the lamb also is contain vitamin C and stomach acid. It's also doing what? Breaking down for belly fat and removing the toxin and brightening skin tone. So now guys, I take 1 cup. I'm going to drink. So Why this drink is very powerful and is important? This drink is very important because it combined with antioxidant, vitamins, fiber, and anti-inflammatory ingredients all in one. Is another level. It helps to remove the toxin from the liver, reducing beauty, boosting immunity, and fighting for inflammatory, and support weight loss naturally. Drinking this in the morning on an empty stomach, okay, the way I'm drinking it, you have to drink it with empty stomach. Give it a try and thank me later, because it will help you. Your energy also, you will see your energy in another level. So, and the most important, your belly fat, you are going to lose it. By mind you, everything, especially natural things, you cannot drink it 1 2 and you are expecting it to work magic for you. If you want to drink it, then it means you have to be consistency doing it, whether with the same thing, or you can changing your drink, your detoxing drinks, you can be changing it time to time, but you have to be consistent on it. So guys, now I have my carrot butter which I'm selling, so it's available. If you want to patronize me, please patronize me. Okay, right now I don't have a website, everything, I don't have any website, but I'm just like praying that one day that one also will come true. So now that is my body glowing butter, is for the family. I have 200 ml and I have 250 ml. This one is for giveaway. I give away to people. I'm giving away to people, to let people know that yes, this thing is there. So when you do and you need more, you can come back. And also, I'm still preparing everything. We are still preparing things about the stickers, everything. You can get touch with me. Please, thank you very much for watching. I love you people. I will see you guys in our next video. Bye bye.